How to lock Facebook profile. So let's get started. First thing first, open your Facebook account and log into your Facebook page. After you do so, simply tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the menu. Now in menu, scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy option available there. Then tap settings. Now scroll down and look for the audience and visibility option available inside the settings. From there, tap on the followers and content option available. Now make sure to toggle all of the switch to friends or only me. After you do so, simply scroll down and tap on the public option available there and a drop down menu will appear. From there, tap on the friends or only me according to your preferences. After you complete changing all of this into only me or friends option available, simply go back to the profile of yours. Now in your profile page, all you have to do is simply tap on the edit profile option available there. Now simply turn off the professional mode. Continue with the turning it off. Now once the professional mode is turned off, go back to the profile page again and refresh it. Then again tap on the edit. After you tap on it, you will get to see lock profile option available there. Tap on it and confirm the lock. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.